Hey guys, welcome to our at home workout session day 17. Today we are doing a lot of cardio and we are trying to move quick. We're trying to move faster through the rounds. So to begin with, let's do some warm up. For the warm up, do some air squats, 10 of these. And once you're done with the air squats, do some good mornings. Make sure your back is flat and you're getting good stretch on the hamstring. And after the good mornings, get into the pigeon pose. Stay on for 20 seconds each leg. Like this. So after the warm up, let's get into the workout. For the workout, we are doing 18 minutes of work. In the 18 minutes, you're doing a 2 minutes of cardio in the beginning and a 2 minutes of cardio at the end. So in between you will be working for 14 minutes on other movements. So for the cardio part, if you have space, you can run for 250 meters in the 2 minutes, or you can run just for 2 minutes, or you can do a mixture of jumping jacks or mountain climbers or jump ropes and other movements like burpees, squat jumps, etc. And then you will end with the same again after 16 minutes. So on the minute 17 and 18, you'll be doing the cardio part again. So in between, after the first set of cardio, you're going to do 5 rounds of 10 forward lunges, 10 air squats, 10 sit-ups, and then 7 burpees. So forward lunges, you're getting into this position. Make sure the legs are making a 90-degree angle and then coming back up. So you're doing alternate, you're doing 10 of these. And then getting onto the air squats. For the air squat, make sure you're going below parallel, and then your chest is high. On the third movement, we are doing sit-ups. For the sit-ups, we are doing the regular ones, like this. And when you do the sit-up, make sure you're moving forward and then touching the toes. In this way, you're doing 10 of these. In the last movement, you're doing 7 burpees. So this is how a burpee is going to look like. The modified one, you can do 7 squat thrusts. Just avoid the push-up in the end and do 7 of these. So you're doing 5 rounds of these. So that means you'll be doing 5 rounds in 14 minutes. So you'll be really moving quick, and again you'll be ending with 2-minute cardio. So the minute 17 and 18. So let me do a quick round. For the first 2 minutes, I'm going to do cardio. I'm going to do a mixture of jumping jacks, mountain climbers, and other things. So let me start my timer. So we're going to repeat this for another 4 rounds, and then you'll do the remaining 2-minute cardio. So this is the workout for today. Hope you like it. Thank you. See you.